welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd hop on and do a little haul video of some things I've purchased recently, more specifically from Shop Miss A, and then I think all of this is Shop Miss A, and then one outline palette, just so you knew. So if you haven't been on Shop Miss A, it's a website. They cut out the middleman to keep costs low. So she has all kinds of accessories. I think they have some home stuff. They have makeup, they have skincare, they have hair accessories, jewelry, like all kinds of things. Go check it out. I got some pretty affordable things and I just wanted to show you guys that. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. First and foremost, she had the cutest, I'm missing one of them because I don't know where I put it, but the cutest little highlighters. So I was like, my kids are gonna love these. My son picked the paw prints and my daughter picked the little bears. She was sad because this unfortunately is not a color, and she was like, I really like that pink color, and I was like, I didn't know. So that is actually the lid. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Same thing with this. You get these 3, 4, 5. Top one is a lid. So super cute. They work really well. I actually got ice cream cones, so it's an ice cream cone stack. They are quite like weighty, like they have some weight to them, but I don't know where I put them. I think I started to take them to work and then I don't know, I stuck them somewhere. I did get some little sticky notes. These were little apple shapes. I got regular ones. These were like $1. I think these highlighters were like $1 and some change. I can't really remember. Everything was under $2. And then I got some little pens. So this one's super cute with the little teddy bear inside of a, is he on a cupcake, coming out of a cake? I don't know. And then the little cupcake. So these are super cute. I'm pretty sure they are black ink. And then I got this cute little thing. It is a little tiny clipboard with some cat sticky notes. I thought that was super cute. It was like $1 as well. Oh, I bought the shoe wipes. They're the, to clean the white part of the shoes. You get like 6 packs in one container, and I bought like 5 packs. So I did get those. I think they're like $1.10. I don't have them in here because I already put them away in the closet where my shoes are. I did buy some half lashes. I really like these AOA Studio lashes. Oh, I literally just covered up every lash. I didn't realize. Let me hold it like this. These are the half lashes. The Demi Dream half lashes. I don't know, I got they're called Winged Flare. I got Sleek, Demure, and Sparks. I think they were like $1.25, $1.50 maybe. I got another, I wasn't expecting this to be so small, so I did get a brush cleaner. So it's a little tiny piece of sponge in a container. I thought it was gonna be about the size of this one from Ulta, and it's not. However, do you really need one? Probably not. I think I could use just a washcloth just as easily as I could use one of these, or even getting a piece of sponge, cutting it out and putting it back in the tin. So I don't think I'll repurchase this, but I had it backwards. I don't think I'll repurchase this. I did buy, I didn't know, oh look, it even says $1. These were $1. This is a nail polish corrector refillable pen. So I purchased a couple of them, and I think I bought 4 of them, and I gave 2 of them to my older daughter, and then I was like, oh, I'll have these 2. I just wasn't sure what I was going to actually get, but you're supposed to fill these with nail polish remover. I haven't opened them yet, so let me, because I wasn't sure if it was going to be filled with nail polish remover or just you had to put stuff in there. So I took the little lid off, and it's got the little tips. So there's little tips in here. Let's see. Let's see if there's a tip. So it does come with a tip already in it. So here's the tip, and then you're supposed to fill this container with nail polish remover, and then you can clean up your edges when you're doing your nail. How neat is that? And then I purchased those scalp massagers for like while you're washing your hair or whatever. purchased a couple of those. I think they may have been like $1 to $2, $1 to $3. Again, I don't remember, and I don't have my slip here, but I did purchase some brushes. Again, these brushes were all like $1. I got the AOA 9038. Golly, that adhesive was a lot. So it's a shorter brush in comparison to, you know, my Morphe brushes. So here's the difference there, but that's okay. This one's a lot thicker. I wasn't expecting this to be so large. I bought a few of them. So again, this is the AOA Studio oh, just kidding. That was a wrong number. This is the AOA Studio E143 brush. But the SKU on the back, it says AOA 9038. But that's not the number on the actual brush. But I also purchased some of the E122 brushes that I really like. And let me open one so you can see the difference in that. I like the flatter brushes for applying shadows, like packing them on. This one, you can see how much larger this one is in comparison to this one. It's just going to do a larger surface area, and it's shorter, it's stubbier. I think I got, they again were like $1, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not a brush hoarder, not at all. I'm just terrible for cleaning my brushes. So I like options. So I got 4 of these and 5 of the E122 brush. So that's that. And then I also purchased the newest palette, the Whispering Woods palette from Ensley Rain. There was a sale on like 4th of July, and I think that's what it was too for Shop Miss A. They were running a 4th of July sale, and that's why I purchased all this stuff. I can't remember if it was free shipping and then like a percentage off, and that's what made everything less expensive. But anyway, here is the inside of the palette. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. And I really I want to go here. I want to just frolic and walk down that pathway. It looks so pretty. So that is why I purchased that. I was sitting around after I got home from work on that 4th of July and made an order, and this is what I bought. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little haul. If you haven't checked out Shop Miss A, go ahead and check it out, because I don't think I've gotten anything from there that I've been like, ow. But again, everything's like $1 or $2. Even this, I'm like, eh. But I'm gonna use it. I'm just not gonna repurchase it. But I'm not mad about it because it was only like $1 or $2 or whatever. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys are all happy and well. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.